Hello everyone, let's look at how to add rows to a data table in Spotfire using column matching, also known as concatenating or stacking tables. This data includes purchase details for customers across different departments, but it's specifically for Boston. Before I do anything, I will go to Visualization Properties, Columns, and I will check the box for Add New Columns automatically. Let's bring the data for Los Angeles and New York. I'll go to Files and Data Flyout, browse local file, and I will mark simultaneously Los Angeles data and New York data. Spotfire automatically suggests to add the new data tables as rows to the Boston data table. I will click the Settings icon for adding rows, and Add Rows Match Columns dialog box appears. You can see that Spotfire has matched the structure of the Boston data table with the one from Los Angeles. I will go to Identify Origin of Rows and rename the column to Location. Value for original rows as Boston and value for new rows Los Angeles. On the right side, you can see a live preview. The original Boston data appears on top, the Los Angeles data on the bottom, and the new location column clearly shows the origin of each row. I'll click OK, and I'll repeat the process for the New York data. I'll click OK, and now you have one seamless dataset clearly showing where each row came from. And that was it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next quick tip.